Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering all the PGWP-eligible programs for September 2025 in Canada. If you're an international student planning to study in Canada, you've probably heard of the Post-Graduation Work Permit, or PGWP. This permit is a game changer, allowing you to gain valuable work experience in Canada after graduation. It's a crucial step for many in building a career here. Many students face a tough time figuring out which programs actually qualify for the PGWP. This confusion can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to plan your future career. You've invested so much time and resources into your education. The last thing you want is to discover that your program isn't eligible. The implications are huge. It can affect your career goals, your ability to stay in Canada, and your overall experience as an international student. Choosing the wrong program can lead to uncertainty and stress. Imagine finding out after completing your studies that you can't work in Canada because your program doesn't qualify. It's a risk you don't want to take. That's why understanding which programs are eligible is crucial. It helps you make informed decisions about your education and future career. The good news is that many Canadian institutions and programs are PGWP eligible. You can find opportunities in fields like technology, engineering, business, and healthcare. For example, top universities like the University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, and McGill University offer a range of eligible programs. Trending fields for September 2025 include data science, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Many colleges and universities are adapting their programs to meet the demands of the job market. This means you can find programs that not only qualify for the PGWP but also give you the skills employers are looking for. Some standout programs have gained popularity recently. For instance, the University of Ottawa's Masters in Data Science has become a favorite among international students. Another example is the University of Montreal's programs in AI and machine learning. These programs not only offer PGWP eligibility but also provide hands-on experience and strong industry connections. In summary, choosing the right PGWP eligible program is key to unlocking your work opportunities in Canada. It can make all the difference in your career and your ability to build a life here after graduation. Still have questions about your dream program or college in Canada? Drop a comment below and we'll guide you every step of the way. If you want the latest list of PGWP eligible programs for the September 2025 intake, just comment PGWP list and Mine Overseas will send it to you directly. And hey, don't forget to explore more videos on this channel for expert tips on studying, working, and settling in Canada. Mine Overseas, your study abroad journey starts here.